Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we dive into the best gear to make your daily routine awesome. Today, I'm super excited to talk about the Diletta Bello espresso machine. If you're a coffee lover dreaming of cafe-quality espresso at home, this compact Italian-inspired machine might be your perfect match. Stick around and grab it at the best price using the Amazon link in the description. Let's jump in. Let's break down the features that make the Diletta Bello stand out. This semi-automatic espresso machine is designed for home baristas who want professional results in a small package. It features a 58mm portafilter, the standard for pro machines, holding 18 to 22 grams of coffee for rich, full-bodied shots. The 15-bar vibration pump delivers optimal pressure for extraction, and the PID temperature control keeps water at the perfect 93 degrees Celsius for consistent flavor. The single boiler system heats up in about 5 minutes, and you can switch between brewing and steaming with a simple knob. The steam wand is powerful for creating microfoam lattes and cappuccinos, and the E61-style group head provides thermal stability. The machine has a 2-liter water tank, so you're not refilling constantly, and it's built with a brushed stainless steel body for durability and style. It comes with a single and double basket, a tamper, a backflush puck screen, a cleaning kit, and a 0.5-liter milk jug. The compact design measures just 10 inches wide, fitting small kitchens perfectly. The 2023 model includes upgraded internals for quieter operation and better heat retention. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, this machine is a fantastic value at around $600, offering pro-level features without the commercial price tag. The 58mm portafilter is a huge win, compatible with tons of accessories like tampers and baskets. The PID control ensures every shot is spot on, and the steam wand produces silky microfoam with practice. The build quality is top-notch, with stainless steel that looks sleek and lasts. It's great for beginners learning espresso or experienced users who want a reliable daily driver. Customers love its compact size. One reviewer said it fits on their tiny counter but pulls shots like a high-end cafe. The quick heat-up and easy controls make mornings smooth, and the 1-year warranty adds peace of mind. On the con side, there's a learning curve if you're new to semi-automatics. Dialing in the grind and tamp takes practice, and you'll need a good grinder separately, adding to the cost. The single boiler means you can't brew and steam at the same time, which might slow you down for multiple drinks. Some users report the steam wand drips a bit, though it's minor. The water tank is on the back, which can be awkward in tight spaces. A few reviews mentioned occasional pressure fluctuations, but the PID helps stabilize it. Cleaning the group head requires regular back flushing, but the included tools make it straightforward. So, should you buy the Diletta Bello? Absolutely. If you're serious about espresso and want a compact machine that delivers pro results without taking up space, it's perfect for home baristas who enjoy the process but don't want a huge setup. The thermal stability, powerful steam, and value make it a great choice. Whether you're pulling shots for yourself or impressing friends with lattes, this machine brings Italian quality home. Before I wrap up, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more reviews. If you're ready to brew like a pro, click the Amazon link in the description for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. It's an affiliate link, so your purchase supports the channel at no extra cost. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, please like, share, or subscribe. Let me know in the comments what coffee gear you want to see next. Keep brewing great coffee, and I'll see you in the next video.